Best Nut Milk Bag Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular nut milk bags in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given a stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this milk strainer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of bags. The one that made our list is ELLIE'S Best Pro Quality Nut Milk Bag. This bag is the #1 selling nut milk bag for a reason. The 12x12 bag is made from food-grade commercial nylon mesh that is designed to help you get more milk out of every squeeze. It's easier to use, and you get your results faster, and you'll never have to filter your almond milks or cold brew coffee twice. This is great for small 8 ounces or big 4 quarts recipes. The food-grade BPA-free triple nylon seams lets these bags last longer, even if you use them daily, and they definitely work better than cheesecloths. When you get this set, it comes with a free recipe ebook and a bunch of how-to videos to show you how to make chocolate, strawberry and banana drinks, as well as perfect nut milks and coffee drinks. To check out the full specs of ELLIE'S Best Pro Quality Nut Milk Bags and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestnutmilkbag. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use these set of bags. So there you have it, ELLIE'S Best Pro Quality Nut Milk Bag. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the materials, and the additional bonus that come with this set, we feel that these nut milk bags are the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of ELLIE'S Best Pro Quality Nut Milk Bag and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestnutmilkbag. Alright, thank you for watching.